all you have.
Yeah.
Ça va?
It's Caesar on top, or?
Yeah.
Yes.
She gets the best stuff.
We have mint. Hello.
Yeah.
And sugar.
No sugar.
Green tea. Teaspoon. 3 spoons. 3 teaspoons. Yeah, exactly. 2, 3. Or 3. Can you explain us why do you have to pour the tea back? Yes, of course. Normally is for the if we put sugar, it's to mix sugar. We don't use the spoon for mixing the sugar. But now I have here the tea, the mint and tea. I also want to have the color, the same color. It's normally for color, for the tea to be evenly. Exactly. Also for this to have these bubbles in the glass. You see? We like a lot when it's like that. Okay, now. There is no sugar. For coffee and just it's a nice way for the sunset.
No.
Space only for the digital coming.
It's not so much. Then also it's good to walk after food.
Not be too tight, like you do. Just relax.
Very nice one. It's very small for you. And this, everything has name here.
Yeah, I think it's what happens. The patterns they use.
Давайте это не просто.
Lu mi na glavito, proszę.
It's good luck.
Have your tea.
Moroccan.
Yeah,
No, no.
I see you are cold.
She wants
And how to wash hands.
Moroccan.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Then they clean.
A smaller place.
Do you know it?
It's called opener. Yeah.
It's the name of the plate. So can be like chicken one, can be chicken one vegetables with vegetables, can be just vegetables, can be meat with vegetables, can be fish or fish with vegetables, but always in this. Also, this is taxi. Taxi is for bread, just for neat bread, not for baked bread. For baking bread, there is another one. It's this one here. This is like black from there. So here we will bake our bread. Okay?
Yes.
We will bake in our bread, and the name of the bread is taflout. Why? Because the name of the plate is taflout. It takes the name from always our plate. It takes name from the dish. See? So this is called the bread we will make called taflout because this plate called taflout. So we will put 3 rocks. We will put our taflout in. Then when it's very hot, we start to bake our bread. So it's just small introduction. We will see more details. I just mention all. We will learn how.
Okay.
Just only
Some salt. You listen to me. You vegetarian? Yes. Should I sit there? No. Yeah. Is there someone here?
No. And what is this?
Yeah, this one is coriander, but it's a dry one.
Yes, Dutch doctor just told me maybe it's like go home.
Teaspoon of lemon preservative. Lemon. Coriander powder.
Yeah.
Can you use fresh one also?
Sorry.
Fresh doesn't.
Ginger. Yes. Yeah.
I'm not going to. Jake, you took what we want.
Can I put anything here?
Yeah. Sweet.
I will show you how to cut.
Black pepper.
I will show you how we cut it here. And this,
Yeah.
this is from. Oh, sorry. The others I need to show you.
Half of cinnamon.
Half of
Not
cinnamon.
half, just a little. Not more.
More.
Cinnamon. Two big spoons of argan oil.
Argan oil. Rumi, you want to help?
2 big spoons. Olive, yes. Also for
But argan specialty only here. That's very nice. Rumi, what was salt? Good.
more, little more, very little. Good job. Bravo.
Good job. You get that one out?
This one.
I thought Rumi was going to do it. Look, you can squeeze it, pinch it out.
I'll show you the picture like an example.
A big one, look.
Yeah, 2 big ones.
Okay, it's very beautiful. It's beautiful.
That's a lot of chicken, Rumi.
That was a good realization.
This in the middle.
So we need
More. Big bunch.
Can't wait for this chicken tajine. Looks so good already.
Yeah. So it's good decoration.
Why don't we cut it?
Mama, egg. Mama, egg.
the closer up here. More
And chili.
chili.
Mommy, next.
Maybe Tuesday morning. One more?
It's gonna be good. Tajine.
Yeah.
You with me?
3 spoons. Oh yeah.
In total is
Salt.
salt. More, yes.
2 preserved lemons.
Here.
Just put it or
Yes, put it, yes. It's preserved one. Black pepper, turmeric,
Sweet paprika.
sweet pepper, ginger, a little of cinnamon,
Coriander.
powder, and basil fish, and garlic, and argan oil and salt. And this preserved lemon.
How do you make this?
Put the lemon in salt water and leave it for a long time.
But we don't cut. We open the lemon and we put it big bunch of salt. Yes, and we put it in a bottle and we close it very well. After 1 month, we use it.
But it's easier to make at home probably.
Wow.
1 hour or 1 hour half tajine kafta. We will need 1 kilo and a half beef kafta, sauce tomato sauce, parsley, salt, no lemon, salt, garlic, ginger, coriander powder, not cinnamon, paprika, turmeric, and black pepper.
Not onion.
It's all shocking her eyes.
not half, sorry, not half, half of half, quart. Very far quart.
I'll put 3 of them.
That would be a peanut amlou. There's almond one too.
It's a big one.
So one because it's one, but I can be wrong.
But the word is not hygiene at all.
This one?
Small tajine.
And this is coriander.
I mean it.
Yeah, people were watching the women that they were smoking, but when it was
You give them meat and smoked meat.
That's gonna be good.
we will need a little yeast and sugar, just for like for color, not for taste.
We make hole in the middle. And we put salt. just they don't have a.
They told us the guy
And they mix
they love sugar.
Without some sugar.
Yes?
How much? More?
More.
Looks like in your butt. Like out of. I don't know, you're not moving your head.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Now it's your turn.
Suggest you do
Semolina is made from durum wheat.
to make that. It's important part.
We will make the balls. It's half of semolina and half of white flour.
I'll show you my skills.
The words like 99%.
No, and the grammar, no. What should we do with this ball? It's like making meatballs.
And then throw it. Yeah.
Like, no.
With the fingers. And keep it round.
Yeah. And
She's a must.
you have to turn it and
Like a ritual.
Yeah, you know, you have to give it so love so that it's gonna be a nice, tasteful bread.
Where are you going, Norman? Chicken tagine. Wow. Juicy.
Smell already now.
It's quite heavy, guys.
هتاكلوه مزيان.
10 minutes, not 10, 20 minutes, we will add eggs. Yes.
She's her favorite thing
Yes.
today because
Washing the hands in the teapot. Rub them.
Turkey.
More. Okay, that's enough.
No.
No more soap.
Mommy,
Yeah, I think there's two. Yeah. No. Tapperlunt.
Taffellunt.
Because the dish is called beautiful.
It's good.
You
That's like what we had for breakfast, huh?
pancake is
But I think that only success.
I think it's because it doesn't grow up.
She was cooking village style pizza.
Yes.
Yeah. I want the prunes. The ketchup and the finish. Mine is the finish. I'm sorry.
For me, we're gonna share this, okay?
no.
Yeah. For me.
But even Lucy walking from like, thank you.
Thank you, Hafida.
Tutti, daddy, okay,
Tutti teti,